Yes, I'm going to post my first YouTube video. Yay.
A few moments later.
But where to start? I do not understand. Where should I start? I mean, should I start making the video? Should I learn how to upload it? I don't understand.
1 hour later.
It's so confusing. Can somebody tell me how to start my first video? Can somebody tell me how to post my first video? Do you also feel so much confusion when thinking about how to post your first YouTube video on YouTube and how to actually start your channel, and you cannot find anything which can tell you step by step how to do so? Well, worry not, I'm here to help you. I've been doing and making videos on YouTube for past 4 years, so I think I can help you guys. So in this video, we are going step by step on how to start and post your first YouTube video in less than 10 minutes. And do watch until the end to know all the steps. Hi guys, this is Dr. Shruti, and on this channel we learn all about how to grow your YouTube channel, how to start your online business using YouTube, and how to have the right mindset to do so. So without further ado, let's dive right into the topic. So guys, the first step is setting up your YouTube channel. So for setting up your YouTube channel, you have to create a YouTube channel, which can be done very easily by connecting your Gmail account to your YouTube account, and you have a YouTube channel up and running. Now you have to decide the name of the channel, which can be your name or any name you like. Now that we are done with creating the account and the name of the channel, we have to finally create the cover banner of your channel, so that people can know what it is about. And also we have to fill out the description of your channel, so that whoever comes to your channel and sees the about section has an idea of what is it that you are going to talk about on this channel. And once you have done all these things, you have to just optimize your channel for SEO by filling out all the tags and necessary information. So we are done with the first step here and coming over to the second step. So the second step is to do research. Now that we have our channel set up properly, we have to finally decide what topic is it that we want to make videos about. And we want to make videos about the topics which people can find. Means you have to go and see what are the popular videos of the topics that you want to talk about. For example, if I want to create workout videos, I will go and see all the popular channels in the workout niche and see what are the videos performing on those channels. And from there, I would decide and pick up few topics for me, at least 3 topics. 3 topics are ideal. If you're confused about one, at least you have other to make video about. And it happens initially. So I'll decide 3 topics that I want to make videos about in my own style, deciding from the research I have done. Now comes the third point. The third point is actually crafting your script. Now we have to basically create a script from which we can comfortably speak and express our ideas to all the people that we want to reach. So in this step, we have to actually create a proper script with proper outline, either in the form of the bullet points or proper descriptive method, whichever way you like. Like for example, I create my scripts in the form of bullet points. Now that 3 steps are over, we are coming over to the next step, which is the 4th step. The 4th step is finally shooting your video, and this is the most exciting part, guys. Here you actually have to decide whether you want to feature yourself in the video, means whether you want to show your face on the video or not. If you do not want to show your face, it's totally okay. You can go for animating videos or explainer videos, and if you want to show your face, then again it's really easy. You just have to have your phone sit on a tripod stand, which you can buy from like Amazon or anywhere, which can be found easily, or you can just set it up on a tabletop or on a stack of books on a table, whatever works for you. So you just need to use the back camera of your phone and start shooting your video from the scripted video we have already created, right? Guys, yes, I know it's a lot of work, it's a lot of hard work, but get excited, you're going to make your first video. And Like, this is the best thing and it's worth it all. Now is the fifth step. Fifth step is to edit your video. And don't get too fancy and too caught up in the editing process. I myself has wasted almost 1 month editing one video trying to perfect that, but that's of no use. Use minimum things initially, like use iMovie for iPhone or MacBook, or which is completely free and easy to use. Even Windows Media Player or KineMaster, all of these can be used, which are very simple to get, free to get and easy to start with. Once you learn the basics, then learn as you go forward and advance your skills as you go forward. So guys, do tell me in the comment section what is the first topic that you are going to make your video about. Now the sixth step would be, we have to wait a little bit. Now that we are done with the shooting, we just have to make a good custom thumbnail of our video. We can use the clips from the video itself, but they are not as good as the custom thumbnail which we have to create ourselves, and use the again very basic and free tools like Canva or PicMonkey, and start with them and advance as you go. So make a very good thumbnail, on which there is a tutorial coming on Saturday, so stay tuned for that, guys. Now the seventh tip is uploading the video finally. So now, yes, the time has come, we are almost there. So now you have to go to the YouTube Creator Studio. From there you have to tap on the create button and upload your video. And you have to wait a little bit. Once the video is uploaded, upload your custom thumbnail, and we are almost done, guys. Just the last step is remaining. So the last step is the eighth step, which is actually creating an awesome title for your video and writing the proper description of your video and filling out the tags. And that's all you need to actually post your first video on YouTube. And I am telling you guys, if you follow all these steps properly, you will have your first video up and running in no time. And yes, that's just amazing. And yes, there are a lot of things which you are going to learn gradually as you grow on YouTube and as you start making more videos. But you have done a great job till now, and congratulations, you have your first video ready to upload and your first video is live on YouTube if you have done all these steps till now. So congratulations for starting your YouTube channel. Now you have to just rinse and repeat these steps to make more videos on YouTube and stay consistent on YouTube. So guys, these were the 8 steps you need to have to create and post your first video on YouTube in 2021, which is in less than 10 minutes. And you can start your YouTube journey right now. So I'm like super happy for you to start your YouTube journey, and I wish you all the success and all the best for your YouTube journey. Also guys, for all of you who have stayed till the end and watched this video, I have created a special checklist of how to start and post your first video on YouTube. The link is in the description box below. You can download it and keep it for future reference. And if you like the video, please hit the like button. It means the world to me. And also consider subscribing to the channel for more business, YouTube and mindset tips. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell for knowing when I go live and for getting more information about such videos. So see you in the next video, guys. Also, I'll be recapping all the 8 points discussed in the video in the next screenshot.